Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Hey, you do this. Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Hey.
Just nod.
Mabuhay. Yes. Love it.
Hey.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now the next step is to fold into half. The last students are very
Competitive.
Okay, ready? Dance.
Dance.
Okay, dance. Remember to stop. You want me? Grabe. Partner, they're very close to you. Yes. Who will win this game, Angel? I have my vote for the Angels because I made this. Okay, I have my vote here. Yes. Okay, dance. You have to dance. Yes. You have to dance. Grabe about this tonight.
Wow.
You have to
Very
dance.
competitive.
Angel, you have to dance. We have to dance too, eh? No, we need to dance. Okay, dance. Okay, take time. Take time. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you so much, beautiful angels. What's your name? Angel, okay, thank you so much. Right over my feet. Can't explain why you love the feelings in me.
Ano na, te? Kung hindi matulog, naglalaro ka lang sa Vietnam. Ano ba naman yan? Ha? May dala-dala ka pang notebook. Wala ka naman sinusulat.
Hindi, akala ko may susulat akong verses eh.
Wala pala for today. So, ano na ginagawa mo?
Binabasa ko yung hindi ba.
Happy birthday, Arya! Bagong gising pa, morning talk. Morning talk with Aryan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Picture, picture! Picture! Tayo nga, tayo nga.
I wish you were a nice so you can jump everyone.
Picture, ante. Ano yan? Picture to, picture. 1, 2, 3. Sa pattern. Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Iyak siya? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Arya! Nag-birthday sa Vietnam! Salamat sa later!
Okay,
Thank you.
I wish you were a nice so you can jump everyone.
Sana all birthday sa Vietnam, eh, no? Oo. Oo. Oo, papagitnain.
Parang DHM naman.
Gitna muna.
Iniisip ko pa paano ate sa lahat.
Dali, te. Gitna muna. Hatian mo ng gitna lahat. Okay. Oo. Sige. Diretso lang. Okay. Tapos other side ulit. Other side. Yan. Tapos gitna ng triangle. Gitna ng triangle. Yan, sa gitna. Dito. Gitna. Gitna. Ayan, yung gitna. Yan. Oo. Yan. Oo. Tapos gitna ulit dito. Tapos ito pa. Ito pa. Ito pa. Hatian mo pa ng gitna. Ito pa, malaki pa to. Ito, to. Yan, ganyan naman lang. Ito pa, ate.
Anong flavor ka?
Mango yata.
Ito, parang may flavor. Malapit na side.
Yan. May malinis ka plato, ate? Ate na lang tayo, ate ko.
Sige. Ate naman kami.
Tapos ikutan mo muna sila, ma'am, ate. O, palagay ka. Ay, ito na lang. Ito na lang. Baka walang lagayan sila, ma'am. Ito na lang.
Marami yan, B. Ano ka ba? Kumalita ka nga.
Parang 4 lang, eh.
Calm down.
Hindi. Dalawa-dalawa lang. Oh, okay na kami dyan ni ate. Bigyan mo muna sila, ma'am. Kuha ka na ng ilong. Uy, wag mo na dagdagan. Ah, sa'yo. Okay.
Ate nga tayong tatlo.
Kasi gusto ko nga gusto niya wala solo.
Oo nga. Ayaw wala sila.
Okay.
Sa ito? Ay, hindi. Ay, mas pala po.
Oops, baka malaglag ate ko. Ay, ay, ay. Strawberry jam. Oh, lagay mo dyan. Biran ka na lang namin. Ikot mo muna kila. Ate R. Ate R, iikot mo na yan kila ma'am. Oo. Dali mo yung plato para sila yung umano. Dali mo yung plato.